In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mail to click link and button to your WordPress website. Navigating the world of web design and functionality might seem daunting, but don't worry, I'm here to make this process as simple and straightforward as possible. Let's jump right in by explaining what a mail to click link is. It's essentially a clickable link that automatically opens the user's email client, such as Outlook or Gmail, to send an email. When you integrate this into your WordPress website, it helps visitors contact you directly, making communication smooth and efficient. To start, ensure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the page or post where you want to add the clickable mail link. You could be editing a contact page or any section that includes contact information for your visitors. WordPress uses a visual editor, which is quite handy. In the editor, highlight the text where you want to insert your mail to link. This text should ideally be something intuitive like, "Click here to email us," or "Contact us by email." With your text highlighted, you'll see a toolbar either above or floating over it. Click on the little chain link icon that stands for Insert Edit Link. This is where the magic begins. A field will pop up for you to enter a URL. Here, you're going to type mail to, followed by the email address you want your visitors to use, like this, mailtoyourname@domain.com. Make sure there are no spaces because any extra spaces might break the link and cause it not to work correctly. Once you've added the email address, click Apply. Now, that handled the basic link. But what if you want to add something a bit more eye-catching, like a clickable button? Well, WordPress has got you covered there too. As before, go to the same page or post using your dashboard. This time, you're going to add a new block. Click the icon in the editor to add a block. In the search field that appears, type in button and select it from the options. When the button block appears in your content area, you'll see the placeholder text, something like add text. This is your opportunity to personalize the button with phrases like email us now or get in touch. Just like with the text link, click to open the link icon, and again, type in that same mail to email address. Don't forget to click Apply to save the link to your new button. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've empowered your website with quick and easy email connectivity, enhancing the overall user experience. As always, I recommend testing both links to ensure they open up an email client seamlessly. This ensures a customer-friendly experience, encouraging users to reach out with any inquiries. Thanks for joining me. See you next time with more tips to optimize your WordPress site.